Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to another video. If you are here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time. At my tea party, I like to share planner-related videos, sticker book flip-throughs, and so much more while trying to plan my life to the T. I hope you enjoy your time here, and hopefully you will consider subscribing to my tea party by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any more videos from me. So in today's video, I wanted to show you how I am going to be using the new sticker album by Chic Designs. So when I do my Plan With Me videos, I use this beautiful Planner Babe classic size happy planner. And my planner is Frankenplan with various sections in it. Has a home section, social media, and a fitness. So I try to pre-plan all my stickers for each spread. I love having my stickers pulled out and ready to go when I have to film videos, because that way I can kind of sit down and go straight to this. So I am currently using this parchment paper to store my stickers on. I love the fact that the parchment paper, you can see through it. It's, and everything. But when I'm on the go, it is hard to travel with, and it's hard to store this paper without damaging the stickers. So then I discovered this awesome travel-friendly sticker album by Lamika with Chic Designs, and it has been a game changer for me. So again, like I said, I love the parchment paper, but it's just not travel friendly. And so whenever I'm putting stickers down, I'm always losing a sticker because it's either damaged or it came off of the paper. And so I'm just really just searching for a better way of storing my stickers and pre-planning ahead of time. So like I said, I have found a new travel-friendly sticker storage, and this is it, you guys. This is We Go Together Like Planners and Stickers. Oh, let me tell you how much I have been looking for something like this. And thank you to Lamika. I was able to meet her, by the way, at Go Wild, and she is awesome and so down to earth. So I love the fact that this sticker book, it is about 11 by 9. In size. It's pretty big, but I love that. I thought I wasn't going to like it too much, but compared to the classic size happy planner, you can tell by the width, there is a little bit more space at the top and on the side. And so when I need to throw it in my backpack or when I'm traveling, it still be able to fit and be on the go and ready for me to get what I need to get done. So like I said, the fact that I can put down my stickers whenever I'm traveling or on the go for a couple of days, throwing down those stickers. Yes. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right. So off the bat, I'm loving the inside of this cover and also the outside. I'm loving Chic Designs, their dolls and what they stand for. And here you get about 30. These pages are reusable sticker pages where you can stick down your stickers and remove them, and it will still have the adhesive backing, but the paper itself is not adhesive. So I will also show you how I'm going to actually store and sort some of my stickers in here as well. Then after you get through the 30 pages on the back, you can also store stickers in here. So if you have sticker sheets, if you have printables that you want to store, you can also place those back here in this these sticker pockets or sticker storage pockets. I also am going to be keeping in some notebook paper from the Happy Planner. Sometimes if I'm on the go and I want to create filler paper creations, I'm able to have those, and then my paper is actually protected in this plastic pocket. So I absolutely love that for that reason. But of course, you can use these pockets for whatever reason. So here are some other stickers that I do have that I want to have on the go. Some things that I know that I'm going to use from time to time and want to just kind of keep on hand, but I don't want to, place it down on the sticker paper. I can store it in the back for when I need to use it. So I love this. So let's see how many of these come with this on the back. So let's see. 1, 2. Okay, that's 1, 2, three. So I think you get about 4 of these. So you get 30 of the reusable sticker sheets, which I think is more than enough. And then you get 4 of those pockets in the back that I think will probably fill up as much. But I love how big the pages are because you get to store so much stickers on this one sheet, and it's also front and back. But I think I'm going to just use just the front pages of it because I do like to flip it over at times and then kind of pull my stickers. So I kind of want to give you like a brief demonstration of how to use this sticker storage just in case you were wondering about it, but you just wasn't for sure how to use it. It is super easy. I didn't see any other like tutorials of how to use it. And so I just thought, let me just go ahead and purchase this and we're going to figure it out when I get it. So I played around with it and I love everything about this. Okay. So for that front page, I'm going to make this like a title page. I'm going to decorate that real cute, put my name on the front, and then I'm going to start with this second page, and that's where I'm going to start storing my pages. So like I said, you can store and sort your pages, but what I really like about this is that you're able to pull your stickers. If you are a Happy Planner lover or any sticker books that you have, you're able to pull those stickers and place them on those sheets. So what I did with this first sheet, I took this header box here out of the Teresa Collins Happy Planner box, and I placed it at the top. And so what I want to do with that is place down whatever it is that I'm using these stickers for. I'm going to place that on that header, and then I'm going to lay down all my stickers and get it nice and organized. So when it's time for me to plan, or if I want to do a certain project, I can flip to that page and say, hey, I already got the stickers for it. Let's go ahead and start planning. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with sorting out a few of some stickers that I want to go ahead for some upcoming videos. And one of those is going to be an upcoming video, and I'm going to be using some gold stickers out of here, setting up for that. So I'm going to just kind of show you how I'm going to be pulling those out of the sticker books and placing them down the sheet, and then how easy it is to pull it up from that page. Now, to keep in mind, when you do take it off of the reusable sticker pages of this sticker album, the stickers do not lose its adhesive. It keeps that adhesive, and then the reusable sticker page is not, it doesn't have any like adhesive stickiness to it, but it will, once it gets in contact with that sticker, it will hold your sticker there. Okay. But still keep in mind that these sheets are a little thin. So when you go to pull it up, just kind of still be careful. Don't just kind of, pull it right off. Just kind of take your time with it. But see how easy that was to place that down, and how easy it's organized to place your stickers down. So I'm so excited about this. I feel like I need to get another one, but I just feel like the 30 pages are enough to store. So I may get another one to store like all of my other stickers that don't have like a home. And then I will get another sticker album. Yes, your girl is thinking about getting a second one. And I'll just get a second one. And then the second one will be where I will just kind of plan and pre-plan all of my stickers for upcoming planner related videos and some other projects that I have going on. So look, there we go. So I moved the sticker just to show you that it will still stick as well. It doesn't lose its adhesive. And so now I'm going to go ahead and prep for an upcoming spread really quick. my planner babes, this sticker album is what every planner babe needs. You're able to sort and store all of your sticker collections in here. And look, your girl has started her first page in her sticker album by going ahead and pre-planning. So I'm going to go ahead and list what I'm going to be using these stickers for, which is going to be for an upcoming video. I absolutely love it and I cannot wait to start. And so each page I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a header at the top and then I'm going to sort all my stickers out, so that way when it's time for your girl to plan and film videos, I will already have them already sorted out. So whenever I need to look for a sticker, your girl will be able to find it. So I hope this video was able to help you find out how to use this sticker album, and hopefully you'll get one in your collection and start planning a creative life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and